Maybe I can get more comments if people actually commented their battery percentage in my comment section. And also look for their battery percent twin. And while they are on it, I'll just be creating a simple battery charging animation. I don't know why, but I believe that this will work. Anyway, this is me drawing the battery icon that I'll be using for the animation. I want it to look a little bit more like the reference picture I have above. Now I'm drawing the wave-like battery fluid which I'm gonna animate. I got this idea from this incredible artist on Instagram. After animating the fluid, this is the result. But it isn't yet finished because I need to add the fluid layer at the back of the first one. Now this is what we have got. Then I added some color gradients. But because I didn't want the battery fluid to be seen outside the battery logo, I decided to duplicate the background layer and place it above. And then I erased the part I wanted visible. Well, here is the result. Now it's time for the percentage numbers, which I'll be creating at an entirely new canvas. I try as much as possible to simplify what I do, so I don't get confused. This was actually the most difficult aspect of the entire process, because I needed to create 1 to 100 numbers, and due to the limited layer number per canvas, I had to do this on 3 separate canvases. Now moving over to Procreate Dreams, I import the animation file and increase the background layer to cover the entire canvas. I want the fluid animation a little bit longer, so I group them together and then duplicate them along the timeline. Then we import the percentage numbers. Remember when I said it was created in 3 separate canvases due to Procreate layer limits? So I had to import them 3 times. Now in order to make them a single group, I had to ungroup them. Then select all and regroup them before I could move them to the side. So in this way, they wouldn't miss the alignment. Same thing I also did for the fluid groups. Because I needed them to be a single group, I had to ungroup them and also regroup them as well. We all know how our battery color changes to red when it's below 20%. So I tried to replicate that by adding a color keyframe from 0 to 20%. Now when it exceeds 20%, it will go back to its original color. So currently, Procreate Dreams have no drawing assist to make accurate lines. So I had to go back to Procreate and draw the line, which I imported back to Procreate Dreams because I needed it as a guideline in order to move the fluid up from 0 to 100%. Now I reduce the opacity of the above background layer so I can see clearly. Then I make a move keyframe from 0%, which will be down, to 100%, which will be up. Then lastly, I imported this charging sign I made in Procreate. So this is the finished animation. So guys, I recently got monetized on Facebook after 100 years. So I really need your help liking, commenting and sharing this video. I'll be dropping more based on your comments. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you at the next.